Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Lindsay, and today's video is going to be a Sunday reset. So my Sundays are absolutely crucial to me having a successful work week. If you're new here and you don't know, I do work a full-time job, 8 to 5, Monday through Friday. So the work weeks can be really stressful, and I think that it's crucial to have a really good Sunday routine that just gets you prepared for the upcoming week. So I have kind of, perfected this Sunday reset, and I know what I need to get done on Sundays in order for me to have a good week. So I think like my Sunday routine honestly kind of grounds me, and it just makes me feel more like I have my life together during the week. So I'm going to kind of show you guys some things that I do that help me. So I thought it'd be fun to kind of take you guys through, and hopefully you guys can get some ideas from this video, and hopefully this helps you. So we did have a little bit of a slower morning, which was really nice. It's kind of gloomy outside, but I am now ready to have some breakfast. So I'll show you guys what I'm having. I'm just gonna have a healthy little breakfast and kind of get this Sunday going. I am still sipping on my coffee from this morning. I don't know why, but it always takes me like forever to finish one cup of coffee. I don't know why, but I'll like re-warm it up 20 times. And also, as you guys can probably see, today is hair washing day too, so I will show you guys that. I only wash my hair once a week, and it's on Sundays, so I always have nice fresh hair to start the week out. So I will show you guys everything that my Sunday includes. I'm really excited to bring you guys along. If you want to follow along with more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe down below. I always have my Instagram at the end of my videos as well. I do post a lot of content on there, so I encourage you to go follow me on there as well. But yeah, let's get into this Sunday routine. Okay guys, here's breakfast. So we've got yogurt, blackberries, and raspberries. I was kind of disappointed. I don't know if you noticed in the clip, but literally almost all of the raspberries in the container were bad, and we just bought them yesterday. So that's a little frustrating, but I was able to find like 4 okay ones. And then drinking a suya green juice as well. So that's breakfast. And one thing I did want to say too is so a Sunday reset is obviously like taking care of things around your home and getting yourself prepped for the week. But I feel like it's also about like mentally getting yourself ready and doing things for yourself and taking care of your body, which is why I try to eat healthy on Sundays and just start the week off right. I always drink a green juice on Sunday just to flush everything and just kind of try to reverse any bad food that I ate over the weekend or during last week. I just try to get back on track. If you failed last week, it's okay, but like it's a new week and you can start fresh. So that's something I really like about Sundays, and I try to keep pretty consistent with that. But I think it's important to take care of your body inside and out on Sundays. So I think obviously eating healthy and doing self-care and, stretching, going for a walk, just taking care of yourself is really important on Sundays. So that's also kind of what my Sunday resets are about. So it's obviously very important that you are taking care of your body on Sundays, and Sundays are my rest day from the gym. I don't go to the gym on Sundays. What I'm going to show you guys right now is what I do on Sundays. I do a lot of stretching, I roll out, and I do some light abs. And that's really all I do in terms of exercise. I just give my body a breather and I just let myself rest and let my body recover and stretch and just be good to my body. So let's just kind of show you guys what I do for all of that. Alright guys, I am back and it is now time to clean up the kitchen. 100% cleaning up the kitchen is very crucial. So I'm going to do dishes, wipe down counters, just make sure that everything looks good for the week. Morris did actually do some dishes last night, so they're not too bad. They've done Okay guys, so my baby just woke up. It was pretty good timing. I just got done loading up the dishwasher. I do still have to, hi, I do still have to just wipe down the counters really quick, but that's not too bad. Can you say hi? You say hi to the vlog. Say hi, Mommy's vlog. Hi, Mama's vlog. Mwah. I love you. I love you. Okay guys, so next thing up is washing our sheets and our pillowcases. We do this once a week. It's just a nice refresh to make sure that they're always really clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We don't wash our comforter every week. Papa! So just get the sheets, Papa. We have a ghost bed and then we have a mattress topper on top. I'm not exactly sure which one we have. Morris picked it out, but we sleep so good at night. It is so comfortable. I highly recommend just getting a topper. It makes such a big difference in my sleep. So going to pop these in the washer. Okay, so sheets, blankets, and pillowcases are in. I used Tide detergent, and then we also use this OxiClean White Revive, and it's really good for whites, especially if you have a baby, because it's safe on colors and there's no bleach in it, so it's really good for that. And I just feel a little better about using it than using bleach on your clothes, because that can be a little harsh. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get this started. Let's see. Okay, so we have finally made it outside. Just going for a little walk. It just feels nice to get out of the house a little bit. Even though I'm not working out today, I do like going for a walk on Sundays, and earlier it was raining, so we weren't able to, but now we are. It's kind of sprinkling a little bit, but still feels pretty good outside. And Roman loves going for his walkies. You say hi to the vlog? Can you say hi? So that's what we're doing, and then I think we're gonna go home, and I'm going to show you guys what I make for meal prep this week. I'm really excited to show you guys this recipe, so that's just kind of a little update, and I will see you guys when we get back. Okay, so this is the bulk meal that I made. It's jambalaya. So it's got shrimp and sausage, and then rice and a bunch of other veggies and ingredients. I'm going to link the recipe for you guys if you are interested in trying this out. This is going to really keep me on track this week in terms of my lunches at work. I won't be tempted to eat out, so I really like having a bulk meal that I can always depend on. So, like I said, I'll link it below for you guys if you want to try it. You could, if you're not into shrimp, you could also sub that out for chicken, or you could do chicken and shrimp. So, I will link it below for you guys. Hi guys, so it's obviously much later. Please ignore my self-tanner all over my white towel. That's embarrassing, but if you know, you know. So it's much later. I wanted to kind of walk you guys through what I'm going to be doing this evening to prep myself for the week in terms of the physical aspect. So as I told you earlier, it is hair washing day. I'm going to be using my Olaplex number 4 and 5. Of course, these are my favorites. They're so good. And then I'm going to also be using purple shampoo today. I do this about every other week. And you're probably like, why are you using the regular shampoo and the purple shampoo? So if you don't use Olaplex, then you wouldn't know, but the purple shampoo does actually call for using the regular number 4 first to get the product buildup out. And since I only wash my hair once a week, I definitely have a lot of product buildup, so I do use this first, and then I go in with the number 4P, the purple shampoo. And then after all of that, I'm going to be using a little hair mask. This is the number 8, and I really love this. I've used it a couple times now, and it just really like hydrates and moisturizes your hair, and your hair looks so soft and silky afterwards. So I'm a big fan of this hair mask. So that's kind of like a little extra thing I like to do just to make my hair look really nice for the week. And then I will be doing a face mask. Nothing exciting. I'm just going to be using this ordinary liquid exfoliant. So this one is the AHA 30% plus BHA 2%. You just put it on your face for 10 minutes and then you wash it off with a warm towel, and it just leaves your face feeling so smooth and nice. So I'm going to take my makeup off, and then I'm going to put this on, and then I will probably remove that and then go in the shower and wash my hair, and I'm going to shave my legs, and I'm just going to exfoliate my entire body. I did actually do self-tanner on Friday already. I switched the day that I do self-tanner from Sunday to Friday, so that's why I didn't show that in this video. Otherwise, that is one thing I would be doing. But yeah, so I am going to kind of get started on that. I think that's going to wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining in on my Sunday reset. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below. If you want to keep following along with more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.